My bike is beat to shit. It's time to do a little bit of a refresh. Okay, so I've got the rear end just about completely taken apart. Subframe is out. The broken subframe is going to get replaced. I was also able to pull the air boot. So this is the reed box, and it goes like this. Airflow comes from this side from the filter. Basically, the air comes in, and you can see that they like spread open as air flows, but there's quite a bit of spring pressure on here. I expect that actually would create quite a bit of flow. Now, there's 8 of these, 4 on either side of these 2 cones, but they create quite a bit of resistance. So I think there's going to be better airflow with these out of the way. So that's definitely a mod that I'd recommend doing if you're going with like the FMF pipe. I need to pull the head to have the valve guides replaced and the head machined. I've got a coolant leak, but I'm going to track that down. Yeah, so let's get at the head. I got side plastics and the front plastics, the tail piece, so it's gonna look like a new bike. Got a headlight. This is a LED bulb, and it's like 2,500 lumens instead of like the 700 or whatever stock lumens. The new shock protector feet. This is a Samco T piece that goes up in the frame between the 2 radiators, so I should have better coolant flow. I've never had a problem with it, but I think it'll be more reliable that way. I've put in this new jumper for that eliminates the key. Power is cut by a relay, so whenever you hit the starter, you connect the relay, and as long as the bike's running, the relay stays connected. So new steel end cap for the FMF pipe. Let's dive in. So I'm gonna remount the new subframe, get some of those plastics that go in here, get this control box or electronics box set up, get the air box back in place. Let's dive in. I've kind of changed direction with this to refresh just a little bit, and I'm actually gonna put this bike back a little bit to stock because I'm gonna be selling it. It's a whole long thing. I've got this whole other video about how I'm going 2-stroke. So yeah, we're gonna be pulling off some of the stuff that's not so pretty on this, like this engine cover. We've got some graphics coming, which will be cool. We're gonna refresh the handguards, put those a little bit back to stock. I'm gonna pull the Trail Tech because that's going on the 300. And this one's getting a new front tire, new brake disc. So let's dive in. So now I'm just Finishing the frame, I'm putting the seat and tank back in place. I'm putting a skid plate back on, new front tire, elbow shoe guards or whatever, the things that go at the end of the fork guards, the graphics kit, putting that on. Let's get cracking because I've almost got this bike built. Check out our helmet chin mounts. We've started adding a bunch of mountain bike helmets to our lineup. Link in the description to the store. We've got a ton of options. If you're looking for a chin mount for your GoPro, definitely go check those out. Those are what support our channel, make all this possible.